Up YouTube, it's your girl Nikki back with another banger. And in today's video, as you can tell by the title down below, we will be trying the Chamoy Pickle Kit challenge. Y'all, I have been wanting to try this challenge for like the last year, and I'm just not trying it. So yeah, I'm late, but it's okay. Let's get right to it.
Oh, you mean? Yo, bunny, come bounce, panny body, take it off, take it ramming, never coming in a hurry, funeral where you ball, get me coming, and you told me, now you wall, let me fall, me grip up on your pussy.
Let me put on some gloves, because the videos I didn't watch, this stuff be dyeing your fingertips. I don't have time for that. I ain't got time for this. Let's... Oh no. Ooh. Okay. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Hold on. Wow! That's good as fuck. That's not a bad woo. That's a good woo. A good one. Woo! See? You see the difference? Alright. This shit already got my tongue red. Oh my freaking gosh. Yeah, I have to stop cussing just in case my mama is watching this video. Y'all, look at this. This is a thick ass pickle.
Yeah, I have to stop cussing just in case my mama is watching this video.
Look how thick. Cut the tip off. This knife. Wait a minute. Oh, hell no. Why is it so juicy like this? It's more juice inside the pickle than it was in the damn pack. Let's taste the pickle. Yeah, I'm actually really excited. This shit is so good. We're going to start off with the fruit roll-up. Fruit roll-up. Let's get into it. Wrap it.
I heard you good with them soft lips. Yeah, you know word of mouth. The square root of 69 is 8 something, right? Cause I've been trying to work it out. Go. White wine.
Okay.
I come alive in the nighttime. Yeah. Okay, away we go. Only thing we have on is the radio. Oh, let it play. Say you gotta leave, but I know you wanna stay. You just waiting on the traffic jam to finish, girl. The things that we could do in 20 minutes, girl. Say my name, wear it out. It's getting hot, crack a window, air it out. I can get you through a mighty long day. Soon as you go, the text that I write is gonna say, what's my name? 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 Everybody knows how to work my body, knows how to make me want it. Boy, you stay up on it. You got this something that keeps me so off balance. Baby, you're a challenge. Let's explore your talent. Hey boy, I really wanna see if you can go downtown with a girl like me. Hey boy, I really wanna be with you, cause you're just my type. Oh na 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 na, I need a boy to take it over. Looking for a guy.
I'm so scared. 1, 2, 3. Y'all, I can't even put into words how this shit tastes. I think I was not supposed to. This is some shit you're not supposed to eat. Like, what the fuck? I actually really like this. Whoever put this shit together is a genius. For sure. Whew. Oh my God. 10 out of 10 fucking man. I could probably eat this shit once a week. For sure. This shit's sticky. It's getting sticky. Ooh, it's giving spicy mango. Oh, hell no. Ooh, that shit made me vibrate. This is all the pickle that I ate. I ate pretty much half of it. Maybe a little more than half. This bitch was banging. Thank you guys for tuning into today's video. I hope you really, really, really enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time.